Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are checking out the Dynalog. This is the DR-DF100B drone. So foldable drone, ages 14 and older. Let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like and let's flight test it. Alright guys, this thing is absolutely cute. I love this thing. It is so small, look at that. I love cute compact little drones like this. Very nice. Very nice. So, there's a little camera. Wow, this is very cute. Press and hold the button on the top to turn the power on. They give you two little batteries. You get your screws in here, landing gear. You get two chargers, you get blades, you get screwdriver in here. They give you everything needed, except probably batteries, but we'll check that out. Look at this, even on the remote, they show you the controls and everything. That is awesome. So this company is definitely stepping up their game in the drone area, and if they keep headed down this path, they're definitely going to be one of the leaders someday. And here's just a suggestion for the manufacturer. If they would design their controllers, put like graphics on them, like Dragon Ball Z, Pokemon, just different graphics, that's something no other drone companies are doing. So hey, any drone company that's hearing this, you put some cool graphics on your remotes, I think you guys are gonna do really well. So hey, that's just a free tip from your friend Unboxing with Scott. So guys, this is how the drone looks extended. Still very small. So you place your battery inside there and you are good to go. Make sure you refer to your manual for the camera and for other features that are not mentioned in the video. But let's go ahead and get to what everyone wants to see, which is flight testing. By the way, this is the controller up close. So guys, it takes 3 AAA batteries. What's that? Oh, there. Alright, let's see how I can land this sucker.
Ooh, it actually did.
And